All right, welcome back. So this is our problem y equals x plus 1. So once again, I'm going to start by making a table. I like picking zeros, so I'm going to make x equals 0. When x equals 0, that means I've got y 0 plus 1, therefore y is equal to 1. The other point I always like picking is 0 for the y. So therefore, if I have 0 is equal to x plus 1, subtract 1, subtract 1, I will know that -1 is equal to x. All right, and we just need that third point, so I will make x 1. So y is equal to 1 plus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Okay, now I can come and plot. So I have the point 0, 0, 1. I have the point -1, 0. And I draw my line. Lucky for you guys, Math Excel does this. And then I'm going to check, is my point 1, 2 on that line? Yes. So hopefully I got all my math done correctly. All right. What about this problem? This problem's a little bit trickier because of that third down there on the bottom, but really it doesn't change much. Math Excel, sometimes it's hard to put in anything that are not whole numbers, so you guys are going to have to use your brains or your smarts a little bit to try to figure this out. The first number I'm going to pick is 0. 0 is still probably a very good one. So y is equal to 2/3 times 0 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Okay, you can pick 0 for the y, and it will come out a nice number. So let's go ahead and do that. So 0 is equal to 2/3 x plus 2. Subtract 2, subtract 2. So -2 is equal to 2/3 x. Okay, that's a fraction there in front of the x. And so I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3/2. I'm going to come over and make this a fraction and make this 3/2. Okay, the 2's cancel, leaving you -3/1, or just -3 is equal to x. All right, but say you don't want to deal with that fraction too much. You pick numbers that work with that denominator. So our denominator is 3, so we have to pick a multiple of 3. For example, 3, 6, 9, -3, -6, -9, and then we will get pretty numbers again there for the x. So let me pick 6. Let's see what 6 does. So y is equal to 2/3 times 6/1 plus 2. Okay, 6 and 3 have 3 in common, leaving you 1 there on the bottom, 2 there. 2 times 2 is 4/1, or just 4. And that's y equals, so 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. All right, so you can come in, check your points. So you got the point 0, 2, -3, 0, okay, and then you got 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Do they connect? Yes. So all's good. So even if you see a fraction, it's not scary. Just work with it. Pick numbers from the denominator. So our denominator here is 3. If you had a denominator that was 5, you want to pick 5, 10, 15, a multiple of 5 if the denominator was 5. So just pick a multiple of that denominator. All right, same here goes for decimals. Decimals, again, can be not so great, but here, and actually when I tried this, it did accept halves. So the first number I picked is 0. So when x equals 0, y is equal to negative 3.5 times 0 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Okay, the next number I'm going to pick, I mean, you guys would pick 0 for y, and I'm going to tell you this one we don't want to do because it's going to become out a very ugly number that we can't plot very nicely. So the next number I'm going to pick is a 1 for my x, and so therefore I get 1 is equal to negative 3.5 times 1 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to negative 3.5 plus 2, making y equal to negative 1.5. Okay, and I did note on this homework, in this section, the homework did accept halves. It doesn't always, so that could be frustrating. The next number I'm going to pick is x equals 2, making y equal to negative 3.5 times 2 plus 2. Y is equal to negative 7 plus 2. Y is equal to negative 5. So I can come, plot my points. So I get 0, 2, 1, negative 1.5, and 2, negative 5, 2, 4, 5. And you'll see that they all line up on a line. And you're going to hope that you are a better drawer than I am, and thank goodness Math Excel is a better drawer. Email me if you have any questions, ask me in class, and that is the end of section 3.2.